One common pitfall that countless Etsy sellers encounter is the improper pricing of their products, often leading to higher expenses in fees compared to their actual profits. As an Etsy seller, it's imperative to strike a balance between competitive pricing and ensuring a healthy profit margin. This margin not only fuels the growth of your business, but also provides a safety net for potential losses due to misplaced or damaged items. In this video, I wanted to share Alura's Etsy fee calculator that will help you determine selling prices for your products in order to save money and increase profits. Let me show you how it works. All right, so here we are in Alura. If you currently are not using Alura in order to manage your Etsy store, I'm gonna leave my referral link right below this video so you could try them out for free. I highly recommend them. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard and click on resources. It's gonna open these 4 screens right here, and go ahead and click on Etsy fee calculator. Now this calculator is gonna help you, again, what it says here, determine your selling price points for your products in order to help you save money and increase profits, which is the most important thing when you're running a business. You wanna make a profit out of your products and services. I see this all the time where I get messages from my students or just, people that follow me online that say, my fees are higher than my profits. What am I doing wrong? A lot of times is that they're pricing their products incorrectly. So you want to make sure that you use this calculator because this definitely is going to help you in that area. So let's say that you sell a t-shirt and let's say you sell it for $25. Go ahead and put the selling price here. Here you will put your shipping, your labor, materials. You could just hover on this and it will tell you include material, labor, and shipping costs. So let's say all of that collectively together is $12. Go ahead and click on calculate. Now, if you do have off-site ads on, go ahead and click on that. If you don't, go ahead and turn it off. But right here, automatically it's gonna tell you the total cost and also your profit as well as your profit margin. So as you can see, the revenue is $25. Your cost is $12. Your listing fee is 20 cents, right? Transaction fee is $1.25. Processing fee is $1. So your total cost now went from $12 to $14.45. And your profit is $10.55. So that's your profit there. This is your profit margin. And this is the fees that you're paying Etsy. It's really, really important. Doesn't matter what you sell, whether it's digital products, physical, vintage, crafts, that you understand what is the profit of each product that you sell, what is the fees, what is your profit margin, what is your cost as well. This is going to really help you determine how much you want to make every month, right? So if you say, okay, $10.55, I want to make a little bit more than that. I want to at least take in $12, right? Then you could play around with the pricing. Let's say you bump it up to 27. Now that will give you a little bit more of a profit margin. It went up to $11.98. This is how you're going to be able to price your products correctly. And you want to price your products competitively compared to what other products are selling on Etsy. But keep in mind that if you have a really good product and you have amazing photos of your products, that will add perceived value. Meaning that when people come across your products, instead of you charging the standard $25 for that t-shirt, you probably could sell it for $35 or $45 because your perceived value is higher than your competitors. And you do that by the way that your store looks, like your shop banner, your logo, your descriptions, your photos. If everything, that's the most important thing, your photos. That will add perceived value. And that's one thing that I always talk about. If you're able to increase your perceived value, you're able to charge premium pricing. You don't necessarily have to charge what everyone else is charging. So just keep that in mind. But I highly recommend the Etsy fee calculator from Alura because it's just gonna make life easier. And these are important numbers that you should know about every single product that you sell. If you watched this video till the end, let me know by liking it and leaving a comment below. And make sure to check out these additional videos on the screen to help you use Alura effectively. Thanks for watching.